don't go in no police world. The only thing I have with this is why haven't they released Davion Bryan photo? They have released 9-year-old Phylisia photo, but who want Davion photo too?
No, she's not being found.
What happened?
So I just had spoke with the commanding officer along with the lead investigator. It was reported that from Minister 7 last night, a female came to the station and reported that she was at home along with her spouse when she was attacked by a man with a knife. There was a struggle and her spouse came to her assistance and he cut her and ran away. So this was a female who came to the station and identified the man as Davion Bryan, who is known to her. So while the police were in the process of treating with that matter, a female, turned out to be Phylisia's mom, ran to the station and said her daughter was at home, her 9-year-old daughter, and she can't find her. So they took her report and they started searching for her along with members of the community. You understand they searched all night. Checks were made, and it is reported that the same male who attacked the female earlier, Davion Bryan, was seen with the child. So they are currently still searching for him. They said he's known in the community as 45-year-old Davion Bryan. I don't know if he's originally from the community, but we understand that he is from Portland. He's currently on bail on a case of illegal purge and is reporting on conditions in St. Thomas. I think where most of the emphasis is right now is to see if they could really find Phylisia. They said at the time she was taken, she was wearing a white blouse and a blue short. And if anyone probably have any information, anybody see a male with a child anywhere that fits the description, what she was wearing, we will be circulating her photograph being circulated via our Ananda alert. So it will be going around that if anybody sees this child anywhere, to just make contact with the Bath Police or 119, the nearest police station. We just want to know that she is found and found safely and quickly.